In my coaching book recommendation series, I've got 3 to add to the list today. These are all about coaching teams. So I shared about The Art of Coaching by Elena Aguilar the other day. Book number 1 is The Art of Coaching Teams. So this is one where she goes in some experiences, and throughout the book, she's comparing between a highly functional team and a less than highly functional team. And so you can see the differences, and she talks about some of those and how she has learned over the years how to deal with teams, because coaching teams is very different than coaching individuals. So there's that one. The next one is Learning by Doing, and this is by the DeForce. If your school or your district does PLCs, professional learning communities, this is the handbook for that. So this one really does take a step-by-step approach on what you need to be doing in order to reach the goals. I will say that I got to go a couple of years ago to a Solution Tree. That's the company that supports all this. A Solution Tree conference. It was fantastic and really helped me better understand the things from this book and the practical applications. So that's a good one. The third and final one about coaching teams that I'll share is the 5 dysfunctions of a team. The author on this one is Patrick Lencioni. And with this one, he goes through, I guess it's an allegory where it's the metaphorical, team. And it talks about when I've talked about the pyramid of trust and how to build trust, this goes through when trust is not present, it goes through all the components that build up to trust. So this is a really excellent read. It's one that will challenge your thinking if you were in a leadership position with teams, to really name things. If there's something going on that's not okay, name things. Make sure they're the right people on the teams, that sort of thing. So, recap of my 3 books, all about coaching teams. I hope you can check some of these out and let me know what you think.